And today we are in a sawmill industry where there was a huge stock of wood you can see, and it was collected by after a damage, after a wind throw. And here you can see there are the logs that are tagged with this white code, and this is their name of the company, SIDG, and there is the barcode.
It's SIDG. It means the Slovakian forest.
Yes.
So, yeah.
And here is the code by which they can they have information about these logs, about their volume, their length, and about their diameter. So by these code, you can easily detect which log has what is the length of that log and what is the diameter and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And to add, like this was the wind throw were happening last year, and the Slovenian government has experienced it, one of the most overwhelming timber harvest, which affects not only the Slovenian but the European timber industry. And so they collected more than 4 million meter cubed of timber, which is extremely higher than the annual harvest of Slovenian government. So most of the timbers affected by the wind are now just collected here, and they are waiting for the buyers, especially sawmillers.
And mostly it is used by now it is used by sawmillers, and they are using it as chips, and they utilize it for biofuel or burning or to create biofuel gases or like that.
So, guys, you are working here, or you have why you
we
visit
are
here?
forestry
We are-
students, and we
yes.
came here for excursion as part of the course forest pathology and wood alteration.
In Slovenia?
Yes.
No, we have been learning in the University of Padova.
Oh, in Italy.
Yes, in Italy.
Okay, okay. Thank you guys for the interview.
Pay
Thank you
me,
so
pay
much.
me.